Gifty, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just doing a spontaneous update on my locks. I haven't been here in a while, so just don't mind the background. It's a little bit chaos there, just ignore that. Anyways, I'm here to show you where I am with my locks right now. As you can see, they are growing, so I wanted to still bring a little bit of an update for you to see where I am, because I haven't been here in a while. On the 29th of April, I turned 2 years with my MICROLOCS, DIY MICROLOCS, and we are now in August, almost at the end of August. I will not be editing this video, I'll be uploading it, so in case I do any mistakes, you need to take it like that. Anyway, so at the end of this month, which is August, I would then be, I think, 2 years and 4 months locked. So time is running. I'm here to give you a 360 so you can see how my hair is doing. So hope you can see. I've had a retight about 2-3 weeks ago. I think 2.5 weeks ago. I was on holiday, small getaway, and then I did my retightening across those days. So yeah, as you can see, hands and hair syndrome is going on. I don't mind about that. I feel like with that, I always detect if my locks have any issues, so I still play with my hair, my hands in my hair. I don't think about those people who said you should take your hands out of your hair. I don't really believe in that. So yeah, anyways, what else am I doing? I'm just using my normal oils in my hair, and then I'm also using my distilled water, which I put into my spray bottle, and then yeah, that's all I do. And so I don't really put so much into my hair. It's just growing, as you can see. So and this is the side and the front. So yeah, with my edges, everything is intact. And ever since I've been using this distilled water, I don't get too much of a buildup on my scalp anymore. So but I still keep washing my hair once a week. I still do that. So yeah, my hair is a little bit damp right now because I sprayed it. This spray bottle, as you can see, is awesome. I'll link it below if you're interested in getting one. So yeah, it sprays all the way as you wish. So anyways, I hope this update was helpful. I just wanted to come here and show my face for you to see that I'm actually still alive. I've been doing a lot on Instagram, so if you want to know what else I'm doing, what projects I'm working on, definitely follow me on Instagram, yeah, at Fenity Woman, and then you see everything that I'm doing there. You can participate in all the projects that I'm running right now, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. And thank you so much for watching if you stayed till the end. I'll come back again with a few other updates on my skincare, because I made a review of my Duvolle spin brush. I've already recorded that video, but I've not uploaded it. I told you I'll come back after 7 days to tell you how it's working. It's working amazing. So I'm really happy with this product. Even though I wasn't paid to review this product, I was just given the product, but I wasn't paid. I still feel like it's one of the best gifts I've received, because my skin is looking so nice. I'm recommending it to my friends. I want them to use a spin brush of any kind. It doesn't have to be this one. Just use a spin brush for your face. It's going to improve your skin. If you think you've got good skin, and that's what I thought, this is like 10x your good skin. So yeah, I'm really happy about it, and I would upload the 7 days after I started using this in a few weeks or in a few days to come. I'll upload that video. At the same time, excuse me, I'm also uploading a video tutorial on how to tie your locks in the head wrap. I've made that video already, so I'll be editing it and I'll be uploading that one as well. So that is it to my update, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, then you know about it. So have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.